A warm welcome to all the viewers of this video. Let's have a presentation on study of recycling electronic waste, which comes under course environmental studies. So let's have an introduction about our group. We are the members of class TYCMSS semester 5th, and our names are Akshata Bidve Shubhangi Thorat, Arafat Sheikh, and me, Vedant Sawant. Our micro project is sincerely guided by Ms. S.S. Jamdade ma'am. So the contents of the presentation are, first of all, we'll have introduction, e-waste and its thorough procedure will be discussed. Then we'll have graph and awareness of people about e-waste. Then we'll have global statistics about e-waste. We'll also see top industries in India and our city Nasik about e-waste. Then this will end up with a conclusion. So what do you do with your old electronic devices? Can you answer this? So, yes, you might be doing one from these. You might be throwing them, you might be donating them to somebody, you might be selling them, exchanging the device with your new one, or you might be keeping them in your storerooms. Do you know these products can get recycled? Yes, they can. So let's have introduction about e-waste and its procedure. I'll nominate Akshata to explain further.
The devices which has reached the end of its useful life and is discarded is known as e-waste. These devices can include damaged laptop, mobile phones, television, gaming consoles, and many more. Recycling of e-waste means reuse of this electronic waste. It is a process that seeks to recover material from electronic waste. This way you can use them in new electronic products. Recycling of e-waste is a growing trend and was initiated to protect human and environmental health mainly due to the widespread environmental pollution impacts of e-waste. Now let us understand step by step electronic waste recycling process. The first step is manual sorting and separation. Electronic components that are crushed are removed by hands, such as batteries and lights, etc. In step second, shredding is done. Electronic atoms are shredded into small 100 pieces. Step 3 includes magnetic removal. Steel and iron fragments are removed by magnets. In the fourth step, metallic and non-metallic separation is done, where other metals such as aluminium, copper, and brass are separated from non-metallic materials such as glass and plastic. At last, separation by water. Plastic and glass are separated by using water. This is how e-wastes are recycled. I nominate Arafat to explain.
Thank you, Akshata. Let's see awareness of people about e-waste recycle. This graph shows the percentage of people's awareness about e-waste. Only 10.95% of people have a clear understanding of e-waste. 27.74% of people have a basic idea of e-waste, and 28.47% of people are aware but not sure what e-waste is about. These results are discouraging as 32.85% of people don't have any knowledge of e-waste. This shows that the people's awareness of e-waste is low. Let's see what people do with their e-waste. About 6.57% of people dispose it as household waste. Around 33.58% of people sell it to recycle center. Around 18.25% sell it to junk dealer. 35.04% of people keep it in storeroom as most of the people do. And lastly, 6.57% of people repair it and donate it. Let's see the awareness between societies about e-waste recycle. As you can see, the top 3 countries with the highest e-waste generation are China with 6.1 million ton e-waste, Japan with 2.2 million ton e-waste, and India with 1.8 million ton e-waste. Moreover, Asia has 16 million ton e-waste, America has 11.7 million ton e-waste, and Europe, Africa, and Oceania have 11.6, 1.9, and 0.6 million ton e-waste respectively. Over to you, Shubhangi.
Let's see e-waste in our country India. India has emerged as fifth largest electronic waste producer in world. Computer devices account for nearly 70% of e-waste, with the contribution of telecom sector being 12%, medical equipment being 8%, and electric equipment being 7% of the annual e-waste production. Nearly 75% of e-waste is generated in companies. If we look at the state Maharashtra, in Maharashtra, Mumbai is the largest city of producing electronic waste, followed by New Delhi, Bangalore, and Chennai. These are top 5 e-waste recycling industries in India. First is Eco Recycling Limited in Thane, which produce 7,200 million ton e-waste per annum. Second is Ecocentric Management Private Limited in Raigad, which produce 2,500 million ton e-waste per annum. Third is EcoFriend Industrial in Mumbai, which produce 1,000 million ton e-waste per annum. Followed by Evergreen Recycle Karo Private Limited in Thane, produced by 2,400 million ton e-waste per annum. And last is Arihant E-Waste Recycling Private Limited in Dhule, which produce 2,000 million ton e-waste per annum. These are top 5 industries which produces highest electronic waste per annum. E-waste management in our Nasik city. The Nasik Municipal Corporation has identified 6 locations in the city which will be used as collection centers for electronic waste. The civic body will rope in private firms and or agencies to collect, recycle and dispose of e-waste. Each division will have on e-waste collection center. A proposal in this connection will be tabled at the general body meeting, the civic body soon. Over to you, Vedant.
So in the city Nasik, the two e-waste recycle industries, the top one are Prakriti Engineers and Consultancy, which produces a high amount of electronic waste, which is near Jail Road. And the second one, which produces a high amount of electronic waste and gets recycled, is Technoco E-Waste Namo, which is in Dindori. So yes, these are the two top two industries which you will find near you in the city Nasik. So let's come to an end and let's have conclusion. I'd like to tell you that the data in this presentation is from source web Google. So the statistics all shown in this presentation is from web portals. If you are recycling your e-waste, then please research about your electronic waste recycler. Choose whom you are sure will treat your e-waste systematically. Check Central Pollution Control Board website for retailers. Samsung India encouraging its customer for e-waste recycling through Star. So if you are a Samsung user, then this will be the great opportunity for recycling your product. Get in touch with your retailer to know about e-waste disposal. So if you have an e-waste, then why not to recycle? I, with our team, would like to give you a message that encourage your neighbors to join you and spread the word about educated way of e-waste disposal. Remember that every time you buy an electronic device, it is your responsibility to decompose or recycle your old property. Let's be into united, recycled e-waste nation. Thank you for paying attention to this presentation. Thank you so much.